Alright, y'all, I just got lost with Blaney ass, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Just got overly lost. I'm not lost on terms I don't know where the fuck I'm at. Like, I'm lost on terms of this motherfucker just left, bro. He gonna take the lead, then pull off fast as hell, and then not use no turn signals or nothing. So now I gotta do this big ass U-turn because his ass took an exit. Yeah, you feel me? So yeah, bro. And then he gonna start trolling once I get to his ass. I ain't even going back to you. I gotta hurry up and get to his ass real quick, man. We were just semi-racing, and that's how all that shit even started. What the fuck kind of tail lights is these, bro? Hopefully he did what I said hopefully he did what I said, bro. He got them big ass glasses on. He looked like Vaughn. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. Snap. Fuck it. I could have turned right there the whole time. It would have been 20 times easier, too. God damn. Fuck you going this slow for on that fucking exit ramp for it, bro? Cops like crazy over there too, bro. Look, it's a cop literally right there in front of me, literally. Surprised Bunny dumbass ain't get pulled over. He said, cause I ain't talking about the B-switch. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. Slack. Hopefully his dumbass pulled in to where I said to pull in there, bro. I gotta slow the fuck down. I'm fucking gonna get a ticket. I'm doing 40. Put it down real quick so I can see where the fuck they at. I know they sitting here somewhere. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. Slap, fuck them kids. There you go, right there. Those guys were sitting somewhere. I ain't talking about the B-switch. Y'all, we should be cool. Should be cool, should be cool, should be cool. I need gas, bro. Fuck. Where the fuck is bitch ass at? Where the fuck is bitch ass at? Where the fuck is bitch ass at? Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. Slap. Alright, y'all, let me turn the camera off real quick. Damn, over this voice crack. Let me turn the camera off real quick so I can see where the fuck he at. Look at this little bitch. Look at this little bitch. Look at this little bitch. Open the door, little bitch. Open the door, little bitch.
Yeah, what the fuck happened to you, nigga?
Nigga, a cop came from behind me, dipshit. I seen a cop literally came off the exit, nigga. I was really doing 85, and something told me slow the fuck down. Cause that's why I got put over there twice already.
Oh, yeah, that's why I got off on the exit. I remember you telling me that shit. Let me pull mine. I was going like 100. I'm saying it on camera. It's crazy work.
I know what I was doing, so I know you went faster than me, so I kind of got an idea. What was your shit around?
Huh?
What was you around?
What you mean?
Like, don't say the exact number, but what was you around?
Oh, well, I was around. Why would I say that on camera though? Like, that's
bro,
better,
motherfucker recorded a POV him doing the speed. Now he don't want to say it on camera.
Yeah, I was doing like, I don't even know if I be on that one.
I know how much I was doing, and you have to be going way faster than me.
Hell yeah. I'm looking at my show. Like, damn, where the fuck he at?
Bro, I literally seen his ass pop off the fucking exit.
That's where your mind is right off.
Then I'm like, bro, I literally said, why she take the exit? But then I didn't see you. Then I drive by the exit and I see the fucking logo on the back of your car. I'm like, really? You came to the worst spot possible.
Wow.
I don't know where the fuck we gonna go back to make content over here.
I don't know either. I just don't want to keep driving shit. I know you say you barely got gas. We done at the same amount.
I got
gas, man. That shit is insane.
I got 65.
How the fuck we at the same amount on gas and I'm tuned?
What you mean, bro?
Something ain't mathing, man.
I had this bitch in sport mode 2 times today, bro.
I had this bitch in sport mode all day.
What you mean, bro?
Something math ain't mathing, bro.
How much gas you had out here when you came out here though?
It was like probably like 130.
I didn't have that. I had 105 when you came out here.
Let him cook.
Oh God, so watch your fucking mouth.
I said math ain't math, bro.
Man, we been making TikToks and shit, but I'm finna end this POV off right here, man. I know it's only like 6 minutes long, but y'all get what y'all get and y'all don't complain, you feel me?